Hari Om and a warm good morning. I am Swaroop K of class 11 of Chinmaya Vidyalaya Vaduthala, and the topic I am going to speak today is inclusive education. We are all enamored to writing IQ tests, but do these actually mean anything to us? We all cram and prepare ourselves for solving tough problems for competitive exams, but we don't actually use them in life. In society, we measure and compare different students with a single yardstick. When I think about this, I remember Albert Einstein's famous quote: "Everybody is a genius, but if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its life believing that it is stupid." This quote emphasizes on the fact that different students have different capabilities. So, by and large, shouldn't we have educational systems where all the students can study under the same roof? Students with dysgraphia, dyscalculia, and dyslexia should not feel different from the others. In schools, we have career counseling, but shouldn't we also have counseling for all students and teachers to accept students with learning disabilities and not demotivate them or discourage them or treat them as outcasts? Students like these need a confidence boost to think that they are no less. Here, the story of great inventor Thomas Alva Edison is to be highlighted. Edison was called an adult by his school and his teachers. His mother received a letter from his school. She read it out loud to him. "Your son is a genius. Our school doesn't have teachers good enough to teach him. Please teach him on your own." That's exactly what Edison did, homeschooling. Later, when his mother died, he became the greatest inventor of the century. But one day, while going through his closet, he saw a letter and he read it to himself. It made him very emotional. "Your son is mentally deficient. Our school cannot allow him to attend any more classes. He is expelled." Later on, Edison wrote in his diary, "Yes, I was a mentally deficient child, but my mother turned me into a genius of the century." Similar is the story of Albert Einstein and Tom Cruise. Both of them had problems in learning, but that did not stop them from achieving success in their own respective fields. We all should realize that parents, teachers, students should be sensitive to the fact that a learning disability is not insurmountable. Obviously, it does not have any cure, but with timely intervention and support, the side effects of a learning disability can be lessened. Colleges and schools can help these students by understanding their strengths, helping them with their weaknesses, working with professionals, and teaching them specific strategies to tackle few problems. India is a great nation which aspires to become a developed nation by 2025, but leaving even one single student behind will not help us realize this dream. Education is a fundamental right to everybody, irrespective of caste, gender, or religion. I would like to conclude my speech by saying that a student with a learning disability can be reliable, committed, and even have a positive approach to life. I would like to quote Benjamin Franklin, whose words will always remain evergreen in my mind. "Tell me, and I may forget. Teach me, and I may remember. But involve me, and I learn." Thank you.